Hi, my name is Umair Masood. I am a Royal Associate Biologist. The topic of my presentation is cure a cancer by using caspase-3 protein. Before proceeding my presentations and talking about the cancers and tumors and caspase-3, we are starting a basic concepts of cancer and how cancer can be mutate your genome, right? Well, all start the life all start life as one single cell. Then cell divides cells from tissue, and tissue form a organ, and organs form a complete body system. Basically, cancer is a group of diseases characterized by abnormal cell growth, meaning that your cells are growth abnormally and large numbers. Your cell is growth abnormally in large number. In healthy body system, cell grow and die normally in very controlled way. Damage or change in the DNA of cell by environment or internal factors such as smoking, bad eating habits, or or inhale or exhale some chemicals. Sometimes cell do not die and continue to multiply until a tumor or cancer can be developed. The most important and notable point is cancer is still the leading cause of death for people under the age of 85 years. For cancer treatment, usually combination of surgery or remove a tumor and sometimes chemotherapy and radiation to kill any type of cancer cell. Hormone therapy, immunotherapy, and cancer drug treatment for specific type of cancer is also available in the market. Actually, before proceeding that how my treatment can be work against cancers, you will know about what is apoptosis, what is cell death pathway, and how cell death pathway is used to treat cell death pathway is used to help to treat the cancer patients. Actually, instruction in cell death pathway will lead to the destruction of the cell that is function of programmed cell death. When cell go any type of problem like DNA damage, it try to kill itself. The process starts from the mitochondria. The target is mitochondria. For example, DNA damage that is act as a signal, means that when your DNA damage, it means that there is a chance of cancer or risk of the cancer. These are certain molecules. There are certain molecules that can active after the DNA damage. The molecule is ATM, CHK protein, P53 protein, P56 protein, APAF protein. When the APAF protein is produced, they can activate a caspase-3 protein. The caspase-3 is a future nuclease enzyme, further activate further nuclease enzyme and protease enzyme. After the activation of nuclease enzyme, cell cannot be survived. It means that the in cell death pathway, when the DNA is damaged, the DNA damage is signal to activate the some other protein, and some other protein will be activate the caspase-3 protein. The caspase-3 protein is act on the DNA, and DNA can be degraded and cell can be dead. So if you can consider that if we can deliver a caspase-3 protein in cancerous cell by using different type of solute carrier, we will explain later what is solute carrier and how solute carrier can be worked. If we can deliver a caspase-3 protein in cancerous patient by using specific type of solute carrier, the cell automatically activate the nuclease enzyme, and nuclease enzyme will activate the DNA degradations, and the DNA and cell cannot survive. Mean that if we have a brain cancer patients, or if we have some other type of cancer patients, if you have lung cancer, stomach cancer, or any other type of the cancer related to blood, bone, or any type of the cancer. So for example, if we have a patient that have a if for example we have a patient which have a cancer of which have lung cancer, so we can produce a caspase-3 protein, and we will coated the caspase-3 protein in some solute carrier. The solute carrier will directly hit to the lung cell, and caspase-3 is injected to the lung cells. The lung cell, in the lung, the cancerous cell will be die because the solute carrier is targeted to the cancerous cell. So what is solute carrier? The solute carrier is a transport expressed in cancerous cell. The main role in cellular uptake of cancer drug means that the solute carrier is a part of a chemical or part of protein or part of peptides that can bind to the caspase-3 and targetedly deliver a caspase-3 into the cancerous cell. You all know that in the chemotherapy there is no targeted chemical that can or metal that can kill the cancerous cell. They can kill the whole cell, but in my case they can only target it to the cancerous cell. This, for example, this root carrier transport expressed in cancer cells, the main role is cellular uptake of cancer drug, which may step toward anti-cancer drug. The cell is surrounded by cell membrane. The main part is how molecule pass in and out of the cell takes express. For example, just you have Panadol aspirin binding to the root carrier, it will transport it into the cell. So here is my all presentation. Thank you so much.